Next on our travels, we went to Fontana Geothermal Bakery and Bathhouse, one of the many attractions on the Golden Circle. Here they use the geothermal heat of the land to bake bread in the ground and provide warm water for bathing in the natural hot springs. Geothermal bread making.
Yeah.
You ready to make some bread?
Yeah.
And cook it in the ground in the geothermal heat.
Yeah.
Welcome to the bakery. This is because we are actually in a hot spring. We use this space to bake bread, but also for another thing. Can you feel that? Yeah.
Wow.
In winter is amazing. I put some in my pockets. Yeah?
Very warm.
Right?
Yeah.
That was close.
2 and 3. You can come closer if you want to see these because it's really a lot. So it's quite strong. If it's boiling, that means it's at least 100 degrees Celsius. The action is happening here.
What is it? It's warm.
Oh wow.
Very warm.
So I guess it's.
She said it's warm right here, but the lake is cold. So. Burns a little bit. Obviously. I'm just warming my hands.
Don't be
top.
dumb. Oh my god. Hardboiled eggs.
Yeah. All right, we gotta go. Hey, we can't miss our bread. They're swimming out there, so they must have a warm spot, I guess.
Di farina 500
Okay.
però zero.
Smells really sweet.
Yeah.
Se non hai la
Burns.
All right.
Burns.
Geothermal bread, dug fresh out of the ground.
Did I mention it burns?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, it burns. Thoughts? Very spongy.
Very sweet. I like it. More like a cake, but it's good. Yeah. Amazing that we dug this out of the ground, or somebody else did.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So, this bread is buried into the geothermal ground for 24 hours, left to bake, and you're here a day later eating it. Yummy. Fontana geothermal bread. Next stop, the Strokkur Geysir. Strokkur is a geyser on the Golden Circle of Iceland that erupts frequently, typically every 5 to 10 minutes. It shoots water 15 to 20 meters high, and sometimes even higher. Strokkur is located in the same geothermal area as the now mostly dormant Great Geyser, which gave its name to all geysers worldwide. Oh.
That's pretty quick.
That was about 3 minutes. Yeah. We're at all the people. Whoa!
It's gonna
We're getting
splash.
soaked. It's cold, yeah.
Oh shit! Oh my god.
Hooey!
Oh my god.
Okay.
That was big.
Nice. I like it.
I put my hood on.
So my hair's mostly fine, but you're soaked. Oh my god.
Sorry.
I guess we were gonna put on one of It's like you can see right when it's about to happen.
Yeah.
I'm not as soaked as you for some reason.
Yeah, I got a direct hit.
You look pretty wet.
Yeah, it just we just got soaked. For the last blast.
I want to get soaked as well.
It'll
Stand
happen.
right here.
About 5 minutes. looks like a nice hot tub you could swim in. What's the big deal? Getting straight up at Safari Quads just outside of Reykjavik. If you can hear this. Alright. Now we are ready. Walker.
Oh baby, I love